This is the Ooni classic dough from the Ooni website, and I keep my dough in the ball in a Tupperware to keep the skin from forming, and I put flour on my on my spatula to help it get out. So the first thing we're going to do is define the edge around the side of the rim of the pizza. So that part will cook up really crispy where it's supposed to. I'm trying to just use gravity to stretch the dough out.
What kind of olive oil is that?
This is from Il Forneo.
Il Fontanaro?
Il Fontanaro that we got from Italy. Okay.
All right, and away we go. What?
Right pan. The pizza pan.
Oh, okay.
You have to keep turning it to prevent burning. Well, this is pizza number 14. I think it might be our best one.
It's looking good so far. And I think once you get the turning peel, it's going to be a little bit easier. Show them we're using an extended hamburger flipper. Talking a little bit.
Talking too much,
Yeah,
not paying attention.
Gotta keep turning. Boy, that's looking great, sweetie.
I think it's ready.
The last pizza we did, pizza third. Oh, here, put your. Oh, you're brave. Shay, you're brave.
Well, it looks pretty good. Should we cut into it? Maybe I should have left my Ooni gloves on.
And again, this is the Ooni classic dough.
Yes.
What's the percent hydration? Do you know?
I think it's 60, maybe. You'll have to look. There's a calculator right on the website that tells you.
All right. Well, that's the last pizza for the night, so I'm turning this off.
Yeah, I think this is the best one.
Yeah, looks good, huh? Okay, we good? Gonna
Yeah.
go inside and eat?
Yep.
All right, we'll see you later.